Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss the last topic of our coding decoding. Okay, this is very important topic. This is matrix coding. You have already done, I think, in matrix in your 9th, 10th in the maths. Okay, so matrix is a combination of rows and columns. So here 4 types of matrix coding is given. One is number to letter coding, another is letter to number coding, and then symbol coding. Means here we are using the numeric values and here letters. In the symbol coding we will use here symbols, and after that mixed coding means in which we can use the letters, numbers and the symbols also combined. Okay, but the way of doing will be same for all. So here first is number to letter coding. Why this is number to letter coding in the matrix coding? So because number is written here, number is identifying our rows and column names. Here are the numbers. Okay, so number to letter, हमें number से letter पे जाना है. Here is the all values in letters, alphabets. So this is matrix 1, matrix 2. Format will be same. Always they will provide you 2 matrix. 2 matrix आपको provide होंगी. एक word आपको दिया जाएगा and उससे related कुछ information आपसे पूछी जाएगी, and after that there will be 4 options from which one is correct one. एक correct है उनमें से. So you have to select the correct one. Okay. So and this is our letter to number, means letters are denoting the name of the rows and column, and here is numerical value given. In the symbol coding they will provide you symbols here like question mark, has, percentage, like that. Symbols will be given. Okay, but format will be the same. 2 matrix they will provide you 1 questions they will ask, and then 4 choices will be there. 1 is correct, so we have to select the correct one. How to solve this kind of problems? So first matrix 1. In the matrix 1 there is given 6 rows and 6 columns. Here is also 6 rows and 6 columns. In this 0 to 4, but here 0 to 3 given, and some values are given. First let's read the statement. How what kind of problems will come if in above matrix A is represented by 0 0 13. Means if A is represented, where is A? यहाँ पे देखिए A, capital A is represented by 0 0. So where is 0 0? 0 0 का मतलब this is the address. ये address given है हमें, means रो और कॉलम को जब हम कंबाइन करके एक एड्रेस बनाते हैं किसी पर्टिकुलर सेल के लिए. सो 0 0 0 फ्रॉम रो एंड फ्रॉम कॉलम. 0 0 पे क्या है? A. And 13, where is 13? 1 and 3. 1 row name and then 3 is column. So 1 and 3. So what is that? 1 और 3 के intersecting point पे what is that? That is A. So they are saying A is represented by, means A is here also, here also. So A is represented by 0 0 and 13. 1 3. 1 from there, and means first this is for row, this is for column. Okay, so now, and T is represented by T. Look at here, where is T? T कहाँ given है हमें? In the both matrix T is given. A here is given and here also given. Okay, so we have to just, they told about this matrix, but आपको दोनों में ही देखना है. We have to check both the matrix. So here T is denoted by T is denoted by 5 6. So you have to check at the 5 6. You know that 5 6 is this matrix. यहाँ पे means 5 to 9 is given here. 5 6. 5 row, 6 column. So T is here. Yes. 6 8. 6 and 8. T is also here. 8 9. 8 and 9. T is also here. Then how will temp denoted by given number? What we have to tell the temp. हमें temp temp. We have to tell about the temp, means from these four choices, which one is the correct for the temp. So how to do that? I'm just rubbing this. I'm rubbing this from the top. Okay, we will do our answer there. So here we have to tell the correct choice for the TEMPT, temp. Okay. One way you can write all the values that are given for the T. Means T के लिए जो value given है आप उनको देख लीजिए. One way is this. Okay. Another way, and then you will write the all the values E for the E कहाँ पे present है. Then for the M, then P and T. One way is that कि आप यहाँ पे force कीजिए, then आप select कीजिए which sequence is the correct one. Another way to do this, temp first letter is T, and here these values are given. So first this kind of sum always do with the help of the answer. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस को कभी भी सोल्व नहीं करना है. We have to just use the hit and trial method here. हम यहाँ से ही इसको ऑप्शंस में से means we will try to remove the incorrect. We will try to remove the wrong answers. यहाँ पे हम जो wrong वाले हैं उनको remove करने की कोशिश करेंगे. At last we will get the correct one. Okay. So first, what is T? So that means first values जो ये given है, that is for the T. This is for E and this is for M, P and T. Okay. So first check for the T. T की values को check कीजिए. 5, 6. Check at the 5, 6. 5, 6. T. Okay. This number is correct. Okay. Now 8, 9. 8 and 9. T. Correct. This is also correct. Now 1, 0. 1 is here and where is 0? Here. So T is here also present. So this is also correct. 7, 8. 7 and 8. T is also here. So from this we didn't get any incorrect statement. यहाँ से कोई incorrect वाला नहीं अभी मिला. But in the second, third, fourth, definitely you will get. Okay. Now the E. Second is E. So for the E, 4, 3. Where is 4? 4 is 4, 3. 4, 3 is not present in this. 4, 3 is not present in this. Okay. So 4, 3. But so we will cut this. हम इसको cut कर देते हैं यहाँ से because fourth row is not given. So मैंने इसको cut कर दिया अभी. Okay. Now the 4, 3 again. 4, 3 again. That is also incorrect. Okay. So this one is also incorrect because 4, 3 is not there. 4, 3 is not there. Now next is 7, 5. 7, 5. Here is Z. Yes. This is at the correct location. Now the 1, 1. Check the 1, 1. 1 and then 1. E. This is also correct. Now look at here. Only 2 are correct here. ये दोनों remove हो चुके हैं. Now we will not check. ये complete आपका remove हो जाएगा. Now 3, 2 and 1, 2. What should be there? M. 3, 2. 3, 2. M is there. Okay. 1, 2. 1 and 2. Look at here carefully. 1, 2. 12 is given here. 1 and 2. But there is P. There is P. But what we need? M. M होना चाहिए था यहाँ पे. But that is not. So that's why this is wrong. So our answer is C part. C part is our answer. I hope you understand this. So now we will discuss one more sum related to this. But that is letter to number. Number 2. And this is a type of the letter to number coding. Letter to number coding. Okay. So here matrix 1 is given, matrix 2 is given. Now question is determine the letter group in the given alternatives. These are the given alternatives. Okay. Which is correctly denotes 7, 4, 2, 8, 3, 5. Okay. Means we have to tell which alternative is correct for this. So first we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and these all are containing 6 pairs. So first we will take the first digit. First we will take the first digit 7, and we will check all the alternative for the 7. Okay, so we have to check the 7. J I. Where is J? J is here. J and I. So there is 7. Yes. So this is correct. This is correct. Now at the B, GZ. Where is GZ? G and G. There is also 7. Yes. Now I. Look at the I and I. I and I. This is also 7. Yes. This is also 7. So this is also correct. Now the FG. What is that? The FG. F and G. Look at here. F and G. What is here? Sorry, FH. We have to check the FH. F and H. That is also 7. That is also 7. So that means this is also correct. Now check the second number. That is our 4. That is our 4. So BE. Check the BE. B and E. Yes, here is 4. So this is correct one. Now the CC. CC. C and C. This is also 4. So this is correct. Now the DD. DD 4. Okay, this is also correct. Now the AD. A and D. This is also 4. So this is also correct. Now we will check the third. That is 2. Digit is 2. So CA. CA 2. Okay. Correct. Now the EE. E is, where is E? Here is not given E. Okay. Here is not given E. So we will not consider that. So हम इसको cancel कर देते हैं. That means इस पूरे को ही हम cancel कर देते हैं. We will cancel this completely because E is not given in this matrix. E यहाँ पे given नहीं है. So we cannot find out the value of the EE. Now the next is AA. AA. At the AA, what is given? 0. What is given? 0. But what we need? 2. Third हमारा क्या है? 2. And here at the third it is given AA. AA is 0, not 2. So ये wrong हो गया. That means this complete is wrong. ये complete series हमारी reject हो जाएगी. Now the AC. A and C. This is 3. This is also wrong. So in the third step, or you can say at the third number, you get your right answer. मिल गया हमें answer. So no need to check further because 4 में से 1 is एक तो correct है. None of this is not given in this kind of questions. None of this नहीं मिलेगा. Only 4 options मिलेंगे. So you have to use this method. In the next 2 types, I am not explaining here. One is the symbol coding, symbol matrix coding. In that, here is some symbols are given. Okay, so just you have to find out the relationship. ऐसे ही आपको उनको select करना है. And in the next mixed problems are given, means related to this letter to number, number to letter, and then symbol coding. So you have to solve all the problems. Okay, class. Thank you.